Sexy, fast, exotic, Ferrari sells a dream as much as a sports car. Part of the allure is its promise of exclusivity, and when Ferrari races onto the New York Stock Exchange, it's with that appeal in mind. Parent company Fiat Chrysler is teasing investors with just under a 10% stake in its crown jewel.
You don't only get to own a piece of just any company, you get to own a piece of Ferrari. It's really the ultimate luxury brand, especially when it comes to sports cars, racing, their racing heritage, Formula One.
It's the start of a process that will spin off Ferrari into its own company by early 2016. Fiat Chrysler will get much needed cash, and its shareholders will still get to keep 80% of the luxury automaker. Driving a Ferrari is something most people can only aspire to, with the most expensive models going for millions of dollars. But now with this IPO, owning a piece of this iconic brand isn't just for car collectors.
This was Ferrari's first attempt at really building a mass production car.
Collectors like Will Branston say there is huge excitement ahead of Ferrari's stock market debut. But the hope is that going public won't affect the integrity of the brand.
It's going to have to do what any business does or any stock does in the open market. They're going to have to perform. So Ferrari can't just sit back on its laurels and say, hey, we manufacture great cars. It's now a public company.
Ferrari may be a sports car in a class of its own, but now it must prove its stock will pay off for investors. Tawfik, BBC News, New York.